Hi, my name is Arunesh and I am a data scientist. Guys, we all know about Iron Man and his AI assistant Jarvis, where Jarvis was like an intelligent friend who used to chat with Iron Man and gave him direct answers. What if I tell you that this fiction is coming to reality in no time? AI has made several improvements in recent years, but there are few things that you need to understand to catch up with those AI technologies. So let's get started. Now in the next part, let's understand how these advanced technologies are helping or improving the process to gain information. So few years back we were using mostly Google search engine to write something and gain information about that particular topic, and then Google used to give us some website link. We used to go inside those links like Wikipedia or YouTube and gain information from there. But later it was found that gaining information directly about the questions asked and in a conversational manner is very effective. So there was a need to develop these kind of conversational AI which are able to chat like humans. These conversational AI cannot just answer in a conversational manner and give direct answers, but other benefits are they can also get creative to create speech, poem, emails, and also are able to create images, which is pretty cool to think about. But this AI development did not just happen overnight. It all started back in 1960s with a chatbot called Eliza, and then in 1990s there was another chatbot which was Cleverbot. But the game changer was, guys, this machine learning and natural language processing development. Then these beasts like ChatGPT and BARD came into the picture. So if you see, there's a rich history of AI development behind all that beautiful answers it gave us. Now let's use ChatGPT and BARD. I'll also tell you the difference and also give you advice which one to use. Here we are. We just need to go to Google and type ChatGPT. The first option we got is chat.openai.com. On going through it, we will need to log in. As I had already logged in, I would not need to do it again. We can simply ask it any factual question, or we can go and ask it some creative questions to this large language models or this advanced AI technologies in a chatting manner. Let's ask it a creative question, right? We can ask it to create poems or create a speech or create a mail for us. Let's ask it for a poem as of now. Tell me a poem about a turtle, a horse, a dinosaur, and their laptop. So if you see, it has created a beautiful poem, but isn't it too big? Let's try to make it short. Let's try to give it some prompt. Let's say make it short. Wow, this is really a long poem though. But yeah, ChatGPT has done it again. It has made the poem short. This is how it works. Now let's go to Google Bard and also see, and let's see if the poem would be same or different. To go to Google Bard, we can go to Google and type BARD. Then we can click on enter, and on getting the first option, we can go to this Google Bard. Let's do some copy paste here. We can go to ChatGPT and copy and paste. Yeah, the poem looks a bit different from what ChatGPT had developed. So yeah, we would be getting different poems every time. Now let's go and ask it again, make it short, and let's see how it reacts. Yes, it has done it. It has made the poem shorter. So you can compare the poem, whatever you like, you can use. Guys, there's one more point I wanted to discuss, that if you want to collect recent or current information, you can use Google's Bard, because ChatGPT 3.5 was last updated, I think, on January 2022. So it won't be knowing of current matters or current affairs. Here, if you see, this ChatGPT 3.5 is there that we are using right now. But to deal with that problem, OpenAI created this different version, which is ChatGPT 4. Now this model is updated on a daily basis, but to use that we will need to pay, I think, around $20. But what if I tell you that you do not need to pay anything to use ChatGPT 4? Yes, that can happen. And let's create another tab and let me show you how we can do that. You can click on that, and you can simply type Bing, B-I-N-G. On clicking Bing, yes, you will get a similar interface here. You can simply click on this particular sign which says B, and you can click on this chat option. Yes, here we are. This the beautiful part about this ChatGPT, or the beautiful part about this Bing application, is that it uses ChatGPT 4. So suppose there's a certain events that happened recently, it will be able to capture that. Let's see how. Recently there was an election in Chhattisgarh. Let's see if it is able to capture that information. Who is the new CM of Chhattisgarh, India? Yes, yeah. So if you see, our Bing is able to get the recent information, and here it has got us some answers. And now let's try to do the same thing. Let's try to find the same thing using Google's BARD. Google BARD is also updated daily, so we can use Google BARD or Bing to get the current information. Apart from these basic questions, you can also explore the limits of ChatGPT or Bing or BARD just by chatting. Till now we discussed why we needed these advanced technologies and why it's so cool to use them. Second, we discussed the timeline of development of these AI technologies. Then we saw the practical use cases of ChatGPT, BARD, and then Bing. I'll also share few more points that will make your journey a bit easier. The first thing is, this conversational AI or any advanced technology is here to help us. So we should not be afraid to get started with that. So I've been keep hearing this prompt engineering things, and to clarify, I would say this, that prompt engineering is not mandatory to get started. It just teaches us a good way to ask questions so that we will get effective answers. But to get started, you can just start with a simple sentence and then keep adding few lines to that questions, and then you will reach to the answer. At the end, I would reiterate this line that AI alone cannot replace you, but a person who is using AI can replace you. So you also get started with this journey, and let me know if you have any questions.